Rytisma is an ascomycete fungus that causes a disease called tar spot. The lesions are circular to irregular and often have a reddish border. On the underside of the leaf, the fungus produces stroma that looks like drops of tar. When the stroma become wet, they absorb moisture and then expand to form an apothecium. Let's watch as we place a drop of water on the stroma on the underside of the leaf. The first thing that becomes visible is the swelling of the tar spots, and this is followed by an opening of the apothecia. This film has been sped up so that 1 second really equals 4 seconds. Watch where the 3 arrows are pointing.